Hi, I'm McKenna.
And I'm Michelle. Today we're at a beautifully styled beach house in Coogee. Welcome to Acler by Pure Locations. Let's go take a look. With its high-end finishes and beautifully diffused natural light, Acler is a perfect home for a myriad of productions. Blending touches of tropical and coastal influence, this home captures the perfect Sydney lifestyle. Acler has been used to feature many products, from linen and bedding to being used in magazine photo shoots. Each has used this home as their ideal backdrop to transform their campaign.
The original cottage was built in the 1900s and remained mostly untouched until its substantial renovation last year. The owners wanted to create a serene environment that could capture beach lifestyle year-round, but also see its fair share of dinner parties and cocktail dresses. Acler is the perfect home for everyday products as well as high-end productions, so it'll suit no matter the brief, and it'll bring your creativity to life. These sliding glass doors are 3 meters high and were specifically chosen to create an oversized look and a beautiful seamless flow from the inside to the outdoors. This is both extremely functional because crews can move in and out and capture the shots from a wide angle, but also is a beautiful aesthetic value to the interior spaces of the home. Acler is a perfect shoot location, both in access and atmosphere. It creates a wonderful environment, but also has many amazing features, like the double garage that makes bumping in a breeze, and a cafe across the road that's open long hours, which is perfect for our longer productions. Along with allowing the greenery to pop out of the numerous windows, the owners chose to incorporate stone in a myriad of ways. They've used it in each of the bathrooms, creating 3 unique spaces that are all very individual for shooting. They've also used it in the kitchen, and it's this beautiful, luxurious backdrop that really feels seamless and pulls the entire home together.
We hope you've enjoyed having a close look at this stunning home.
We'll see you at the next house tour. Stay tuned.